bees, and this is how I hang a swarm trap. I made a little stand, just out of scrap 2x4, some old decking board. I'm gonna fasten it to this tree. I don't like nailing into trees. So I just have one of my little straps like this. Just gonna wrap it around the tree. And you want to put it up high enough, but when there's bees in it, it's full, it's heavy, so you won't be able to just, snatch it right down. So you got to think about how you're going to remove the full box. You might have to wrap this twice. So that's pretty sturdy, and it's high enough that I think I can get my box off. If not, I do have a ladder. But I'll set my swarm trap up here, and hopefully we'll catch some free bees. See what I did there? Free bees. So I've just set my trap up here. On the back, it's kind of got like a little clamp, and I'm just gonna run another strap around it. This would probably be easier with the ladder, but we don't like easy, do we? So that's pretty good shape. I will come back here, probably fix that top because I didn't realize it was up like that. But I'll put some old brood comb in it. When brood comb is just used up and it's dirty, time to recycle it. If you put it in your swarm traps, bees like it, smells like home. And I'll put a shot of Swarm Commander. It's got the little hole in here, which is wide open. When I catch a queen, that's queen excluded, and that's just for vent for transportation. So swarm boxes are really nice. Down here it also does have a vent to give them some extra ventilation. Get your swarm traps up. Oh, I just want to show the reason why I picked this location. That's where my bee yard is. So maybe there's one at the front of my property, but there's one here. But hopefully, if there's a swarm, this is going to be an easy one.